Hi guys, now in this video we are going to discuss a complex data type. Here one example, I have used the variable and here I mentioned 1 plus 2j. Then f inside the to say like f equal to complex 1 comma 2. This is like inbuilt function. We are passing the two arguments here. Then I'm printing the what kind of variable it is, what type of variable is type E. Then print f equal to. When I'm execute this code, it is giving the class complex data type and true. It is giving the true f equal to. It like comparison operator I have used equal to. So that is already it mentioning true. So like this we can achieve the with help of and just this is a like sample example complex data type we have used. Now I want to print the like operators result, so we can use print 1 plus 1 like this is a basic example, guys. We can do like a plus minus operator, percentage operator, right? You can use print 5% for like this. Now the concept is about casting. Casting process of convert a variable data type into another data type. Here, for example, in this example, I have used x is equal to 9 plus 3.3. Now I'm printing y. Obviously, the result would be the 13, guys. Okay. Now I want to make it use of like this print in print function. I want to apply the float 3. What would be the data type? So obviously this gives the 3.0. Now I want to apply print integer 3.15. So the integer value, it will give the 3. So actually it is converting the data type into another data type, guys. Okay. Now this is a one more example. I have used print integer. I mentioned inside the string base equal to 2. This is like a built-in Python function that convert a string number to integer. Then this is the string, it is converting into a binary number we want to convert. For example, this is the string represent of the binary number we want to convert. And base 2, this is an optional argument to the integer function, guys. That specifies the base of the number system used in the string. In this case, we have specified that the string is base 2 binary. So now we are achieved the 10 and 10 is the integer. This is the output, guys. Let me execute again. So this is the major thing we are going to utilize with help of cast, guys. Okay. So that's all about this data type and cached. We will discuss about some key important function, guys, upcoming classes.